In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create cyclic lines on Tradingview, quick and easy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find this tool, how to place it on your chart, and how to customize it so it fits your trading style. First, make sure you're on your Tradingview chart. You can open any market or time frame you like. The process is exactly the same whether you're on a 1-minute chart or a daily chart. Once your chart is open, look towards the upper left side of your screen. This is where most of your drawing tools and patterns are located. In that upper left section, find the icon that opens the patterns menu. When you click on it, you'll see a list of different pattern tools that Tradingview offers. From that list, look for the option called Cyclic Lines and click it. As soon as you select it, your cursor will change, letting you know that you're now ready to start drawing on the chart. To create your cyclic lines, start by clicking on the chart to set your first point. This first point usually marks the start of a cycle you want to measure, like a swing low, a swing high, or any key point in price action that you care about. Then move your cursor to where you want the cycle to end and click again to create your second point. Tradingview will automatically generate repeating vertical lines based on the distance between these 2 points, projecting that same interval forward across your chart. These cyclic lines can help you visualize repeating time intervals, which some traders use to anticipate when significant moves or reactions might occur. It's not a guarantee of price behavior, but it's a useful way to quickly see rhythm or timing in the market. Once your cyclic lines are on the chart, you can easily move or adjust them. Click and drag to shift the entire pattern, or grab the anchor points to change the spacing between cycles. This lets you fine-tune the tool until it matches the timing you want to study. You can also customize the look and behavior of your cyclic lines. With the tool selected, you'll see options appear, including templates, color, line width, and settings. Templates allow you to save a style you like and reuse it later. Click on color to change the line color so it stands out against your background. Click on line width to make the lines thinner or thicker, depending on how prominent you want them. If you click on settings, you can adjust more detailed options such as visibility on different time frames or other style preferences. When you're happy with the placement and style, you can click on lock to keep the cyclic lines from being moved accidentally while you're working on your chart. If you decide you no longer need them, simply click on remove to delete the tool. You'll also see an option with 3 dots, sometimes labeled as more. Clicking this opens additional actions and shortcuts related to the tool, making it easier to manage and organize how you use cyclic lines. Overall, cyclic lines on Tradingview are a simple but powerful way to track repeating time intervals on your charts, giving you another perspective on market rhythm and potential timing for future moves.